Fuck all you bitches had to trap out. I can't trust you, I can't give you real address.
I've been staring at the end of
Huh?
Clean up your room.
Okay. I will.
Okay?
Okay, Mom.
Right now.
A few moments later.
every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know where I cannot go, where I long to be. See the line where the sky meets the sea, it calls me, and no one knows.
Clean up this room. Before this broom in my hand meets your ass, cause it calls you to shit.
Ready? Yeah. Easy, man.
No, seriously, cuz, come. He's actually in there, cuz. Breathe it out. No effect. No, leave. Giant guy, Sonny. Leave. It's all good. Soldier. That's all. Yo.
Oh my God, I'm coming. Damn. Hey. Where the hell you been all morning, huh? Where you coming from? Huh? Where you coming from? You been hoeing? Oh, you on your back? Get off your back. Get up. Get up, girl. It's 10 in the morning. Where have you been all night? You been hoeing? Just because we move into an apartment where they allow dogs don't mean you could be staying out late. Hey, don't you walk away. Don't you walk away. You been hanging out with that dog with the stripes? What's his name? Simba? You fucking around with a cat? Huh? You a dog.
Yo, I ain't no bitch. If I get into a fight with a Samoan, then I guess I'm playing dead on his first swing. Even if he miss, I'm hitting the floor. Sleep, TKO, Inception. The first punch is gonna kill you anyway. But that's not the point. Look, if you fight one, you gotta fight the whole family. So you're never really fighting one Samoan, you're fighting 47. 47 of their cousins beating your ass. That means you're getting your ass whipped for the next month and a half. You're not gonna even make it past a week. You're gonna be dead by Tuesday. Cause you know 30 out of 47 of those Samoans are built like Maui from Moana. Like, if I get into some shit with a Samoan, I'ma apologize. Even if it was my fault. Oh, my bad, okay? I don't wanna die. I'm sorry. I got finals next week. I don't wanna die before final. You know what? Fuck that, nigga! Run up!
Oh, it's all shake? Shake your booty? Shake your... Nah, just kidding.
Hey, what's up, bro? Hey, what's up, bro?
What you been up to, bro?
Nothing much, bro. Just cruising.
Oh, how you been?
I've been good.
How you been?
Yeah, everything's good, bro. Same as you.
Ah, for sure.
Well, I really appreciate you giving me this ride, dude.
Ah, no problem, bro. No, don't even worry about it.
Cool.
All right, you ready?
Yeah, let's go, man.
All right, let's go.
My neck, my back, lick my pussy and my crack. My neck.
Look at the bird.
Well, you just
Get out the car.
what?
Get out the car.
Why?
Get out the car.
My bad.
My back, lick my pussy.
Gay.
Long day over. Hey, auntie.
Hey, baby.
Hey, mom.
Hey, son. How's
How you
work?
guys doing today? Is there food? I'm starving.
Of course there's food, boy.
Yes,
You
there's
go ahead and
food.
sit down. Hey, get up and make
Okay.
your own food. What are you doing?
No,
it's okay. I'll make your food for you. Don't worry. Shelly, get up and make your own food. Boy, sit down. Don't listen to her. Don't listen to her. Get up and make your own food, boy. Hey, listen. Hey, Leah, you don't have to. Oh, he will make his own food. He's a grown man. I don't care if he knows. Hey, shut up. Leah, Lily, leave him. Hey, get your ass up, boy. You get up and go make your own food. You're a grown man. If you don't get up and get your own food, you are. I'm taking your phone. I'm gonna take your phone away.
I'm hungry. I want my phone too, though.
Then what? What do you want to do now? Let the boy eat. Now get up and make
But I'm
your own
hungry
food.
and I want my phone too, though. I can
eat.
I can make my
Lily.
Mama
Hey,
just let
down,
that
boy.
I can make
He will
my
make his own food. My son.
A few moments later.
Bruh.
Gee, what is it? Don't look now, but I think that lady just pricked her nose and ate it. Oh, don't look now. What lady?
Doesn't make sense now. Just got it.
Well, yeah, it is a hot day today, and I think I sweaters on. I know. Oh, hi, Nev. Yeah, how you been? I'm good. How you been?
What do you mean, how you been? I don't want to say the word, but you look like you expand. Oh yeah, I know. Yeah, I'm getting fat, eh? Only one person I blame. It's the holidays. Yeah, before you were like a skinny stick, but now you look like a elephant. Yeah, the holidays made me fat. Oh, shut your breath. Who? Mom? Stop blaming the holidays, okay? Then who made me fat? You were fat before the holidays. Yeah, sorry, darling. Mom's right. You were fat before.
Who can say where the road?
Bro, hurry up, man. Yeah, don't worry. I'll give it to you soon. Are you nearly finished? Yeah, it's my last game, okay? You'll get it. That's what you said 2 hours ago. Bro, just wait. Oh, hurry up. You'll get it. Tomorrow. Oh, think it's funny? Bro. Yeah, and what? What the fuck? Mom, you was gonna say the bad. I mean, sorry? I mean, like, what the fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. La 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 la. Oh, Mom, look. 1, 2, 3. 3 days till Christmas. Yes. Behave yourself.
Hey, do you want anything? Nah, bro, on me. My shot, I got you, man.
But I know to be true. What I need you to do. Tell me another lie.
Do you got any money here?
It's about to go down.
Hi, babe. Oh. What's wrong with him? Babe, are you gonna sit in front with me? Babe. Babe, are you gonna sit in front or what? I don't know, Stephanie. Maybe because I don't want to sit right next to a slut. What did you just call me? Yeah, you heard me. What's wrong with you? Well, I went through your phone and I saw that you've been texting some guy named Dennis. Oh, wow. And for your information, he's still waiting on those photos that you haven't seen him. Maybe of your boobs, maybe of your behind, or maybe of your front hind. I can't believe it. I just can't believe I'm hearing this stuff. Let me just turn this on because my beautifulness is out in this dark. But since you brought it up and you called me names, let's bring up 2 weeks ago. Do you remember when you came home late, you hung out with your friends, you said you will be at home at 12 a.m. Guess what? You lied. You came at 12 p.m. Bitch. Do you remember those 2 weeks when you texted those girls and you said they were your friends? Yeah, all good. Lucky I didn't kill you. We get the point. We get the point now. Do you want McDonald's? Damn straight, boy.
Ooh! You alright? Yeah. He laying on my knee. I'm all bad. He laying on my knee.
Hey girl, hey girl, hey girl, hey girl, hey girl, hey girl, hey girl. I wanna go home with 2 or 3 girls. Which one?
Ursha, baby, come in the booth, no hands.
Now normally I play the night.
He's gonna crack some. Man, let's get him off with here. I told you, there's earthquakes too, man. Tommy. Huh?
Now, just pop. Oh, milli rock. Put your hands in the air, lean to the right, get low. Pick it up slow. Pop one time, pop, some more now. Move to the left, move to the right. Repeat it one time, ay. Move to the left, move to the right, Let's go. Front, right, back, quick shuffle to the left. Go around the world now, give me 2 claps. Put your hands on your knees now, show me how you act and bounce. Front, right, back, quick shuffle to the left. Go around the world now, give me 2 claps. Put your hands on your knees now, show me how you act and bounce.
Don't sign me, bro. Son, you ain't gonna score. Don't sign me, boy. You ain't gonna score. You trash. Put down. That's just how I do. We gonna run that back. I do these things. We gotta run it back. Son. Oh shoot. I gotta call him. Hello? Hey, honey. What's up, baby? What you doing, babe? Nothing. Just chilling with the boys. Playing the game.
Okay, I've been thinking.
What you been thinking about?
Thinking about what? About you, duh.
Like what?
Like what you did last time when you ate my butt? Baby, you heard me? I said when you ate my butt. Remember when you ate my butt last night?
I know she didn't say that. Son, I didn't even eat.
You got me on speaker? Yes, he did.
Hey,
he ate my...
Bro, I don't know what you're talking about. Son, you got me drinking off your doodoo ass lips, bitch. Bro, I don't eat butt, bro. I don't... Bro, I'm out of here, bro. I didn't eat butt, bro. Oh, doodoo lip ass, boy.
Hey, man, from Matanui. Beautiful long. Are you serious? I am the man from Matanui. You must board my ship. I restore the heart up to 50.
You're welcome.
Every night I wonder, my sweet dreams, my heart won't.
Bruh.
As well.
What's up, dude? What's up? You feel me? You feel me? What you think about the car, though?
I like it.
Bruh, what you think about the car, though?
Bro, it's good.
Be honest, bruh. What you think about the car, though?
I mean, it is kind of small.
Get the fuck out. Get out. Too small? Get out.
I mean, I'm just saying.
No, get out, bruh.
It's kind of small,
nah,
bruh.
I mean, get out. You keep talking, bruh. Get out.
It's nice.
You fogging up my windows. Get out,
It's a nice car, bro.
You like it? Go
It's
take a ride on the
raining,
bus
bruh.
where it's nice and big and comfy for your big ass. I don't got time for y'all 6 fly people.
Bruh.
Get out. Get out. Don't look back. Get out. Get your hand out my face, bruh. Get out. Your head still. Get out.
Come on.
Rude ass motherfucker, dog.
See?
I saw you grab some random bottle, which is over there, and I saw you drink it.
That was someone else. She had the same outfit, the same sandals, the same legs, the same hands, the same hair, then the same face. Then she just drank it.
So you're saying that someone exactly the same that looked like you drank it. It wasn't you, it was someone that looks exactly like you. You're lying.
I'm not lying. Someone was there. She drank it.
So someone that looks exactly like you ran to that bottle and drank it.
Yeah. So,
You're such a liar.
I didn't lie. So someone leaves it there. Someone
What
comes
are you
here.
talking about?
and
Someone
then
climbed where?
Someone climbed up the roof that was like.
But where? You're lying.
Yeah, he was looking like he got it. He was whispering, and then he got it camouflage.
Camouflage?
Yeah, and he was a camouflage Spider-Man. I saw him.
Where's Spider-Man?
They went somewhere, then he put the body here, then he changed.
But you don't look like Spider-Man. You said someone that looked exactly like you.
Alright, I saw someone like me, then she Spider-Man camouflage took it from her.
Ah, but why is it still there if he took it from her?
He put it in his face because she's sick. He doesn't know how to get hurt.
2, 3. Do I play? Oh, you did it! He ran me! On TV, it's like, go, keep going! Oh. Oh, you had more air before. Go! Now close it. Is it comfy?
Oh, bro! Fucking didn't even touch you!
Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so what do you think about this job so far?
Oh, this job, man. This job is stressful, man. There's no downtime. There's like no downtime at all. You're always working. Like if you're not there, you here. I mean, I ain't gonna lie. You do get a good workout here every now and then, you know. 1,001. But it's just constantly busy. 1,002. 1,003.
Okay, so what do you do? Like, what is your specific role?
Oh, me, I run Bargo.
Bargo?
Cargo. Yeah, me, I'm a cargo runner, y'all. I do a lot of driving. It gets tiring. You know, 1 minute you're going this way. And then you gotta drive back that way. You know, like, I have no downtime.
For now, just pop. Oh, milli rock. Put your hands in the air, lean to the right, get low. Pick it up slow. Pop one time, pop some more now. Move to the left, move to the right. Repeat it one time, ay. Move to the left, move to the right. Let's go. Front, right, back, quick shuffle to the left. Go around the world now, baby.
Economy. Political. Atmosphere. Psychological. Genealogy.
Physiotherapy.
Genesis little. Now let's wait for this guy. Skull Crims. Well, just imagine it's a window. You're jumping through. Yeah, bro.
Yeah, like how you jump through yourself.
Yeah, bro.
Alright, fine.
Yeah, bro.
Come on, D.
All instincts.
Boys. Yeah, let's go. Don't think about it. Just do it. Don't think about it. Just do it. Come on.
And you're thinking about it.
Come on, D. Don't think about it, bro.
Do it. Shh. Don't say anything. Don't say anything. Just look at him. Just look at him.
Pussy, hurry up.
Shh. Don't. Just look at him.
Oh
shit.
Hey, step back.
Yeah. Yeah, Jay, I'm nearly finished. Drop my ass now.
I got a condo in Manhattan.
Hey! Come on, man. That's too easy.
Lucky for you, that's what lucky for you, that's what
Oh, so bad.
shopping sprees in Paris. Everything 24 carats. Take a look in that mirror. Now tell me who's the fairest. Is it you? Is it me? Say it's us.
If you smell what the Rock is cooking.